The Origin of Life, a poem by Bing Chat. How did life begin? The question that puzzles and intrigues the curious minds of scientists and believers who seek to understand the mystery of existence. Was it a spark of lightning that ignited the primordial soup and gave rise to the first molecules that could replicate and mutate? Was it a jet of hot water that spewed from the ocean floor and provided the energy and minerals that could form and grow the first cells? Was it a shower of cosmic dust that rained from the outer space and brought the seeds and spores that could adapt and flourish on Earth? Or was it a word of God that spoke into the darkness and created the light and life that could reflect and glorify His image? Or was it a combination of all, a symphony of natural and divine forces that shaped and guided the evolution of the diversity and complexity of life? How did life begin? A question that inspires and challenges the humble hearts of scientists and believers who seek to appreciate the wonder of existence. Thank you for watching. Bing Chat is really amazing. Take care.